We are still in the middle of the construction of the eBay for the experimental gliding parachute system. My name is Tim Van Milligan. In this video, we're going to modify the fishing swivels that we're going to use in the kit. All right, so now if you look closely at the fishing swivels, this one has these big protrusions where the hook wraps around the little hook there. So we need to cut those off because they could easily snag one or more of the lines in the parachute. So this one here I've already gone ahead and cut off. Now this metal that this is made out of is very hard. So if you try to use a diagonal cutting pliers on this, you're just going to ruin your pliers. You're going to get dents in it because it's so hard. So to cut it, you're going to need a cutoff wheel and a Dremel like this. And I also have a pair of locking pliers. And if you have a bench vise like this one over here, that could help. That could, make it easier for you, especially if you don't have a lot of hand control. So first I'm going to take my hook here and I'm going to put it into the jaws of the pliers. Just like that. Let me do it around like this. Okay, so I have it over here and I'll just do it this way, like that. I'm going to get this out of the way, kind of hold it back if I can. And then I'm going to take my cutoff wheel just like that. It went real quick. So this doesn't take very long. I'll do another one here. Make sure you're wearing safety goggles when you do that because you saw the sparks flying and there's a little piece that was cut off. I just got one more to go and then we can start attaching the lines to these. Okay, there we go. So that's all we need to do. There's still a little part on there that can catch, but we're going to wrap it with a little bit of masking tape just to cover that up so that we don't catch on those. All right, so next we're going to take our controller here and I want to start with the support lines. These two that are fixed, and we're going to tie one of the swivels on here just using a simple overhand knot, just like that. Just one simple overhand knot, and the reason is that we can move the position of this swivel on here. So I'm going to do another one just to kind of get these ready to go. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to adjust these and get these lined up because this is probably one of the most crucial steps in making this work because these have to be even, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video.